Welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So I got a little trick here for you guys. It's not really a trick, it's really a great company that stands behind their product. So we have a couple taps in our house, and over time, it's been about 10 years, and the finish is starting to deteriorate and either flake off or really corrode pretty badly. So we sent this company, names are gonna come in a second, don't worry. We sent this company and be like, hey, this is our issue. Is there something that you guys can do about it? Now, the only reason we even went to go to that company and ask about that is because I was in Home Depot probably back in 2021, something like that, 2020, and probably 2020. And I was in there renovating my mother-in-law's house. And I went in there with some pieces to a shower valve, and sure enough, this company's product rep was there. And they said, oh, is that one of our products? And I said, no, it's one of your competitors actually. And you know, I kind of explained the problem, and super helpful even though it wasn't their product. But one thing they did mention was, well, maybe you can contact that company and they will warranty the stuff, because like our product, we have lifetime, or like, I think it was a lifetime warranty on a lot of their products. And you know, I just thought about it, but didn't really think too much about it. Anyways, bought a new part for the shower, and no issues, okay? Everything was good. Anyways, fast forward a couple of years, now we're, what, December 2023. So I'm looking at my faucets and I'm like, man, these are kind of shitty. They're like, we're gonna have to buy all new faucets, and I don't know how much faucets are, but you know, they can range from $100 to $200 a faucet, maybe even higher. That includes the one in the kitchen. So anyways, I looked at my wife, I said, you know what? They said they stand behind their product. They said they have this kind of warranty. And I said, okay, well, just contact them and see what happens. Because there's nothing, like, the worst they're gonna say is no. And then we're just gonna go and buy some products if they get really bad. Anyway, so my wife gets on the phone with them, starts talking to one of the reps, and he said, yeah. What make and model is it? And my wife's like, well, I don't know, but I can take a picture. And he's like, yeah, send it to me. So I think she sent it to him in an email. Well, she was on the phone with the guy. He gets it and he's like, yeah, no problem. Boom. We'll send you out a couple. And my wife's like, well, this is happening to most of our faucets and stuff. The only one she didn't do is the bathtub and the showers, you know, and stuff like that. But we did each sink in the house. So I got 2 in the master, I got 1 in the kids' room, and 1.5 bath downstairs. And then I think she said the kitchen was going wrong, and they said, yeah, no problem. We'll send you out all those products, no issues. Now that being said, guys, if you're not having a problem with the finish of the product like we are, and I'll show you in a minute here, if there's a piece that's broke or something, you could probably email them, call them, and tell them, hey, this is the make and model I have, or this is the piece. Maybe take a picture, email it to them, whatever, and they'll send it to you. And it's actually quite remarkable that a company nowadays actually stands behind their product. Okay, so enough with that. The company that I'm talking about is Moen. And I've used Moen for a long time. When I was young, my aunt talked about it, and she said, let's put Moen in the house. And you know, they were kind of a higher tier, and you know, obviously they have low end stuff and high end stuff, but you know, they're kind of a higher tier kind of faucet. And now that I'm experiencing with it, I can't say nothing but good things about them. So I got the box behind me. I haven't even opened it. We're gonna open it together. I'm gonna show you guys what our faucets kind of look like and what's happening. This one behind me is not as bad as the one downstairs, probably just because we use it a little bit more. But again, Moen is an absolutely great company that stands behind their product. Really, you know, we sent pictures, they looked at it and they're like, yeah, no problem. They've known that it was an issue for this particular color, I guess. Maybe it's something how it's how it's painted or finished or whatever, but they know it's an issue. And they said, yeah, no problem, we'll send it out to you. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Okay. As you can see, like, oh, maybe this will be a little better. See, it's all kind of chipping off. And that's the finish. See, it's just like kind of flakes off, right? And it's disrupting the color. I'm sure that's the plastic, sorry, not plastic, the finish they put on it to help protect that color. So whether, I don't know what kind of clear coat or something they put on that, but it's definitely peeling off and it's not liking it. So we have another one downstairs, which I'll go and show you guys in just a second, but it's quite bad. It's actually deteriorating a lot of the metal. So brand new box. We're gonna pop this open and see what we got. Hopefully it's the right color and everything. The guy said it should be. He knew what he was talking about. Again, I wasn't on the phone. My wife did it all, but you know, this could save you hundreds of dollars, guys, if you just follow up with some of these companies instead of just throwing it away and then going out and buying your own. I'm just gonna not show you my address, but let's pop out one of these. I don't think 1, 2, 3, 4. So I don't think we actually got the one for the faucet in the kitchen, but definitely got 4 of these. And you know, that picture definitely looks like what we have. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, hold on. I'm just gonna see if I can wiggle that out. Just don't want to drop anything. Okay guys, here it is. This is the exact one. It's crazy. High end, it's all metal, it's heavy. And you know, that's the quality of stuff they make. Now they do make some plastic stuff, don't get me wrong, but this is quite nice stuff. And I don't know how much it would cost me to go buy new, but I know we did some stuff at my mother-in-law's rental, and you know, I think I paid for one thing for a sink. I think one of them was like $150 and the other one was like close to $200. So, you know, so I can't imagine what some of these might cost, and they just sent me 4 of them because they stand behind their product and just amazing company. So we won't get into switching it out, but I just wanted to inform everybody here, if you do have some of these products, whether it's Moen or maybe Pfister or Pfister, sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Tell me in the comments below if I'm actually pronouncing that wrong. Is it Visor or is it Pfister? I think that's what it is. Anyways, you know, contact these companies. And if there's something wrong, maybe a cartridge inside, maybe there was a valve or something, any little piece on there, just contact them and they'll probably send you one. Either they'll send you a replacement, hopefully, fingers crossed, or just that piece. Now, this is Moen, sorry. And that's what I'm giving a shout out for, is this company, because they're great. And if you have some stuff that probably needs some work, or you might need a new one, feel free, contact them, see what they say. The worst they're gonna say is no. It's out of warranty or whatever, but like, I was talking to this rep in Home Depot, and I was like, hey, you know, this thing's like 16 years old. And I had a Visor, Pfister, sorry, whatever the name is. I said, it's a valve. And she's like, oh, I contact them. I said, but it's like 15, 16 years old. Like, this probably was there with the house when it got built. And she said, yeah, like, we stand behind our stuff. And it was really, really shocking. So I just want to put this out there for anybody that's got an issue potentially with a faucet, a shower, just anything. Just contact them, let them know what your issue is, and hopefully they can give you a hand. But I'm going to take you downstairs, show you what the really bad one looks like, and then yeah, we will replace them here either today or in the next couple days. Yeah. All right, guys. So this is the bad one. As you can see, it's deteriorating. It's almost like something's been nibbling at it or something. So that's the worst one, and yeah, it's starting to deteriorate in some of the spots. It might be hard to kind of see, but trying to zoom in or zoom out as best I can. So that's the bathroom downstairs, and you can see there's quite a divot in there. So again, if you guys don't know about this, then I highly recommend one, buying this brand because they stand behind their product. Two, if you're having an issue, please contact them. They might be able to help you out, do something for you, replace a part, replace a whole unit like this. It's something that I want to put it out there so people know, for one, to buy a good product, not a cheap product that's not going to stand behind their stuff, and two, if you have an issue, of course, go contact them, because this is what good quality customer service is, and a company that values their own product and the people that buy their products. Yeah, I got nothing else much more to say about that. It's they're great. I've liked them. I've used them. Every time I can buy something from this company, I will now, knowing what I know. But I've always used them as well in the past. Just great company all around. But it's a nice little secret that I hopefully you guys now know, and hopefully you guys can take advantage of the services and just the customer service and support that this company provides. And again, that's Moen. Really great, highly recommend. But thanks a lot, Moen. If you're watching this, you're great, you're awesome. And I'm not just saying this, I'm not getting paid for this. They sent that out, not because I'm a YouTuber. My wife talked to them and they have no idea, you know, who this person is. They did it because it's customer service. And Moen, if you're watching this, thanks so much, and keep doing what you're doing, because honestly, it's far and few between now that companies do what you do and stand behind their product and warranty their stuff. So without further ado, guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget, never stop learning.